Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm back with yet another delicious vegan recipe for you. It's quick, easy, can be prepared in 20 to 25 minutes. Best made for tiffin, for breakfast, for dinner, as and when you would like to relish it. Best done with leftover vegetables. So let's get started. So here are the vegetables that I am left with today, and I'm going to use all of them. I have here one onion, some potatoes, a small piece of cauliflower, a handful of coriander, carrot, capsicum, some freshly peeled peas, some French bean, and some green chilies to spice up my dish. So let's get started. And until I prepare my dish, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And if you like my videos, please do press the like button and share with your family and friends so that they too enjoy my recipes. I've chopped my onion and have kept my vessel on heat. To this I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and heated it up. I'm adding here half teaspoon of mustard seeds. These mustard seeds add a little heat to your dish. Let them crackle. As they crackle, I'll add half teaspoon of cumin seed. The cumin seeds helps in digestion. As they crackle, lower the flame, add your chopped onion, give it a good mix and let them saute on low flame until the onion gets sauteed. I prefer de-seeding my tomato. It's personal choice. And I will cut my other vegetables. My onions had turned translucent. To this I had added the tomato and given a good mix and let them turn soft on low flame. Until then, I will continue chopping my other vegetables. I prefer chopping the vegetable to a little smaller size so that they get cooked faster. And also, when we cut the vegetables into smaller pieces, it becomes a little better to put in your tiffin box, especially when the children eat them during their lunch break time. Roughly chop your cauliflower, finely chop your carrot, cut the potatoes and drop them in water so that they do not discolor. As you're chopping your vegetables, do keep an eye on your vessel with the bagar. Tomatoes have turned soft now. I'm going to add here a few curry leaves. This adds a real good flavor and the aroma to this vegetable dish. To this I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is totally optional, but it does give a real good flavor to your dish. I'm adding here about 4 sweet green chilies. These are quite spicy one. They are according to each one's preference of spice. Vegetables are chopped and my bagar is also ready. Add in your chopped vegetables into it and give it good mix. Now add in your potatoes and give them also a good mix. The proportion of the vegetables to be used in this recipe is personal choice again. I've used the mixed vegetable a little more compared to the potatoes. Also adding here a handful of fresh green peas. These are in season now. Make the best use of these green peas. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste is required and give it a good mix. To this add about 2 cups of water or as required, so as the vegetable is kind of immersed into the water. As the potatoes and carrots will absorb a lot of water, so you need to add that much, or you may add less and add if required later. Cover and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, you see the water is also reduced and the vegetables are almost cooked light. I'll give it a nice good stir and check if my vegetables are cooked. Looks like my vegetables have cooked now. At this stage, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my homemade tomato ketchup. The adding of tomato sauce makes your vegetable really delicious. Add a handful of chopped coriander along with the stems. Cover and cook it for another 2 minutes on complete low flame. And here my delicious mixed vegetable is ready to be relished. Give it one good mix. Turn off the flame and let the steam settle for 2 minutes. Until then, I'll get my tiffins ready to fill in my lunchbox. Isn't this recipe very quick and easy, friends? So please do try this recipe at home, and I'm sure you and your family will love this recipe. So quick, easy for the times when you are left with few leftover vegetables, and especially for the time when you are running short of time. Although it has very few spices, but the aroma is so tempting and the vegetable is looking so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. But I need to fill in my tiffin box as I'm running late. Until I get filled up with my tiffin box, do subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes that I upload every week. My lunchbox is ready. Usually I prefer taking a chapati with this vegetable, but today I am taking a bread. This vegetable can be best eaten with bread, dosa or chapati. Do try this recipe, friends, and don't forget to give your feedback in my comment section. See you next week with yet another interesting, delicious recipe. Until then, keep watching Melita's Delicacies. Subscribe to my channel. Do leave your comment in my comment section. Thank you. God bless you. See you next week.